AI is going to change significantly the field of art history and museums across the world. And we're going to be doing that by taking all our digitized content, using it to understand better the history of art, the form, the content of objects.
If there were one piece of advice that I would give to science students is that don't be tempted to treat it as a black box. Open it up and get to know the nuts and bolts of it.
The virtue of AI is that it can take very complex sets of data and reduce them down to their essence. And from that essence, then you can glean what the most important thing is for your problem at hand.